Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to the DXDIAG Creator. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple method to check your laptop or PC model in Windows, no extra software required. First, go to the search box on your taskbar. Now type DXDIAG and press enter. Once it opens, you'll see the DirectX Diagnostic Tool window. Stay on the System tab. Here, look for System Model. As you can see on my screen, it shows HP EliteBook 840 Generation 7 Notebook PC. This is your exact laptop or PC model. From this same window, you can also check your processor, CPU, installed RAM, Windows version, system manufacturer, BIOS information. These details are very helpful when downloading correct drivers, checking hardware compatibility, installing software, or troubleshooting system issues. So, in just a few seconds, you can get complete basic system information without opening your laptop or using any third-party tools. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.